Hey guys, we're gonna do this one more time. No different, just I want to show you the process from start to finish. We're gonna do it again because I just think it'll be helpful, right? The more I can show you, the better, and the more information you have to go on. Plus, and I want to say this in this video so I don't forget to tell you, there are other videos that other people have done that are probably more professional than mine that can really help you too to figure these out. So I'm going to send you some links to those as well. So look, I have this stringer now, hasn't even been cut yet. So we're going to start at the very beginning, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the stringer almost exactly in line with the stem, okay? And I can't do this with the phone in hand, so I'm going to put the phone down and pick it back up again. So just, listen to the melodious sound of my voice. Bye, phone. See you in a second, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So look, I made the cut. You can see it is almost exactly in the end here, and that's okay. Ideally in the end, you want something a little bit farther in, but I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to do exactly what I did last time here with you guys. So I just wanted to show you from the beginning. So I did that cut. That left me with this piece of stringer material. I'm going to put that on here. Right? And I'm going to trace, make sure it's up against the stem, and I'm going to trace the line onto the stringer. Okay. If you fall again, I apologize. But I'm just trying to show you step by step. So step one was to cut. Step two was to trace the line onto the stringer using the extra piece of stringer you just cut off. So that's what I did. See, now I got that nice angle. Now step three is to mark in from the end about 1/8 of an inch. And then we're going to draw an almost parallel line by eye to that line, and that's going to be what we cut on. Now, one thing I forgot to say, and that's why I like doing all these videos, because it gives you more information, is that toe in that you do, that like slight, not quite parallel, closer to the stem, it's really, really slight. And in fact, as you get closer to the top of the boat, remember the boat's upside down, so this is the bottom of the boat, this is the top of the boat. That toe in at the top is significant. Like, it's still little, but you do it, you make sure to do it. By the time you get to here, it's actually almost not needed. For whatever reason, you could do it far less. You could almost just do a parallel line. So let me draw that line and show you what it looks like, and you can see. So I'm going to use my stringer that I have here as a straight edge. I'm going to look at the line that's there, and I'm going to like draw something that I see is almost parallel, but maybe edges in towards the stem just a tiny bit. So can you see that second line I drew? I mean, if it's almost parallel, but not quite, right? Okay, now let me make that cut and you can see I have the block underneath as support, right? That's going to support my saw. It's going to support as I use my saw to cut in here. I can kind of fake it here with one hand, right? All right, hold on right a second, guys. All right. So I'm cutting, I'm making the cut straight up and down, right on my line. Since I have that block clamped underneath, it adds a lot of support, so there's not a lot of wiggling, which is really good. Okay, now, let's take a look. You guys ready? All right, so cut on the line, see? That second line I drew? Now watch. Bam! Look how good it lines up. That's what I want you guys to do. Hope that was helpful, and I will talk to you later. Okay, goodbye.